In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to beautifully integrate a PDF Flipbook into your website using Common Ninja and Framer. This process might seem daunting at first, but I promise it's much simpler than it looks and can significantly enhance your site's interactivity and visual appeal. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, open Common Ninja on your web browser. This platform offers a variety of widgets and tools to optimize your online presence. Once you've done that, direct your attention to the search bar and type in PDF Flipbook. This tool is fabulous for displaying PDFs in a way that mimics a real book, offering a more engaging experience for your audience. After typing, you'll see the PDF Flipbook option pop up. Go ahead and click on it. Now, let's move to the left side of your screen where you'll find multiple customization options. This is where the fun begins. Here, you can tweak the layout and change colors to perfectly match your website's style and aesthetic. Feel free to explore the different settings and customize everything to your heart's content. Remember, the goal is to make sure your PDF Flipbook feels cohesive with the rest of your site, not only functionally but also visually. Once you've finished designing your Flipbook and you're satisfied with the way everything looks, go ahead and click Publish. This saves all the changes you've made and prepares your Flipbook for integration. Next, you'll need to return to your dashboard. Here, you should see an option that says Add to Site. Give that a click. The next thing you'll want to do is simply copy the code provided. This code is a snippet that you'll embed into your website to display the Flipbook. It's essentially the DNA of your widget and super important for the next steps. Now, shift your focus over to Framer, which is a fantastic platform for building responsive, beautiful websites. Once you're in Framer, you'll want to click on Insert. If you hover under the Elements tab, you should find an option called Utilities. Click on it and then click and drag the Embed option onto your workspace. This lets you place your Flipbook exactly where you want it on your site. Finally, on the right panel of Framer, you'll see an HTML option. Click on it and paste the code you copied earlier from Common Ninja into this section. It's that simple. After this, click Publish to save your changes and make your PDF Flipbook live on your site. And that's it. You've successfully added a dynamic and engaging PDF Flipbook to your website. It's a powerful way to display documents that'll wow your audience. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Until next time, happy designing.